My name's Kyle Stumpenhorst, and I'm the owner of Rural Renovators, which specializes in post-frame buildings, so typical barns. Today we're building a pasture run-in shelter for my wife's horse. We've been wanting to do this project for a few years. Her horse is getting older, and to have this place for it to be out of the weather, long-term, it's just awesome, and I can't wait to show it to her. So far, I think I've really enjoyed working with the LP building products, mostly because everything is very precise. So it's been like engineered, which is giving it like true dimensions, which as a carpenter or craftsman, I want things to be perfect. And when you're dealing with products that maybe aren't made to a higher standard, then it makes it harder to install them. So everything is precise, everything's got the right dimensions, and it just feels solid. So the durability, the finish on it, you can kind of work with it and not be too afraid to work with it, which is a big deal. The durability of the products that I've worked with so far with the LP, the trims, the panel siding, has a really nice like hard surface to it. The paint finish is really durable. You don't see scratches in it, which is good. So you know when you put your final coat of paint on it, it's not gonna have all this basically marks and scuffs from the installation. You know, as a contractor, you definitely realize that the products that are durable during installation are the ones you want to use, because the last thing you want to do is to have to replace products during the installation process. So with the LP, never had an issue. I didn't have to, baby them. They were durable. So what I would try to do for my customers is sell them on LP products for those people that are looking for something extra, something different, a little bit of flair, durability long-term, like a residential building, or even a post-frame home. I would most definitely recommend LP building products to other people in the profession. It's one of those products that just, it feels good and it installs easy, so why wouldn't you? Honestly, I'm probably beyond pleased on how well the project turned out with the LP Smart Siding. It just really looks quality. It looks top-notch.